Crayola invites you to celebrate creativity. Welcome to Create to Learn Projects. STEAM. Teams Pitch Solutions. STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Mathematics. The team in STEAM also stands for working together to find and solve problems and then pitch great ideas. In this activity, your team will identify a fascinating real-world problem. Then pitch a solution that invites others to collaboratively turn your solution idea into a reality. You will need markers, modeling material, scissors, poster board, materials to build a prototype, such as cardboard, tape, and boxes. Connect. Together, decide what real-world problem your team would like to work on. If most of your team members are fascinated about food waste and hunger, then conduct some research on the subject. Lots of food is wasted, and there could be ways to get that food to people who are hungry before it spoils. Brainstorm many ideas on any problem your team decides to solve. Then, pull together every team member's thoughts into one solution. Create. Now it's time to create an advertisement, the perfect pitch that will convince others to support the idea. Some team members prepare a drama skit. Others tell a visual story by creating a poster ad. Present. Practice and present your pitch to others. Use their feedback to improve the way your team presents the problem and solution. Then, reach out to community members, such as farmers, restaurants, grocers, and food banks to hear what they think about your ideas. Respond. Ask the community members to respond to your presentation by asking questions and suggesting ways you could improve your plan. Find out who might help support your ideas. Real-world problems are never solved alone. A perfect pitch can help convince others to collaborate and bring ideas to life.